This question is to show whether the operation of addition or subtraction is commutative. Notice what the word commutative means. An operation is commutative if reversing the order of the two numbers in which you're performing the operation doesn't change the resulting answer. So just to pick a problem at random, let's look at this one. Notice they have -4 added to -8. That's problem A. And then problem B is always the same, except they change the order in which you are to perform the operation. So rather than doing -4 plus -8, they're asking for you to do -8 plus -4. So it's the same operation of addition, they just change the order in which you are adding the two numbers. And if you get the same answer for problem A than problem B, then that would mean that addition is commutative. So doing the problem, -4 plus -8 means you're 4 units in the negative direction. Adding -8 means you go 8 more units in the negative direction, putting you at a position of -12. Adding it in the reverse order, you could think of it as you're already 8 units in the negative direction, and you're going 4 more in the negative direction. But that would still put you 12 units in the negative direction, so you'd still have -12. So the idea is it doesn't matter if you start at a position of 4 units in the negative direction and then go 8 more, or whether you start 8 units in the negative direction and go 4 more, both situations have you ending in the same place, which is 12 units in the negative direction. So are the answers to A and B equal? Yes, they are equal, and the reason they are is addition is commutative. Changing the order in which you add the two numbers did not change the answer to the problem. So we are going to select the correct reason of addition is commutative. Let's look at another example, the one just under it, -3 subtract -7. So we have two negative numbers being subtracted. Problem B, we still have a subtraction problem, but notice they switched the order of which number is being subtracted from the other. So in the first problem, you could think of -3 subtracting a -7 as being the same as -3 added to +7. I changed the operation from subtraction to addition, and then I had to change the sign on the number -7 to +7. -3 plus 7 is 4. So I will write my answer here as 4. This problem can be done much the same way, but notice that the -7 is first, whereas in this problem it was the second number in the subtraction problem. So in this problem we'd have -7. Changing the subtraction to addition works as long as you change the sign on the second number. It's a -3, I'll change it to +3. Then -7 plus 3 is -4. So I will change this to -4. Notice that in the first problem, problem A, we got an answer of 4. In problem B, we got an answer of -4. So are the answers to A and B equal? No, they are not. They are opposites. So we'll select the answer no, they are opposites of each other. And then the reason behind this is because subtraction is not commutative. Had it been commutative, we'd get the same answer to problem A as we did with problem B. So our correct reason is that subtraction is not commutative. That's the reason why we didn't get the same answer.